hurry up and wait is not the response you want to get from your welder when you're trying to finish a job. But that's what you can get if you underbuy a welder. It's important to know that not all welders are rated the same way. Amperage rating is only half the story. You need to pay attention to the duty cycle as well. Look at this popular leading competitor's rating on their 200 amp welder. The duty cycle is only 40%. Compare this with the Snap-on Muscle MIG MM250 SL. This model features a 100% duty cycle at 185 amps and a 60% duty cycle at 230 amps. This means that there's no longer the need to stop welding while the welder cools down, especially at full load. The MM250 SL handles wire from 023 to 045 inches and welds a 3/8 material thickness in a single pass. Numerous heat adjustments and infinite wire speed settings allow for a wide range of capability. It can weld sheet metal, like the fender on a car, in addition to countless other welding jobs. The model MM140 SL features 140 amp output at 100% duty cycle. It'll handle wire from 023 to 035 inches. And talk about convenience. Check out the detachable feeder unit that comes standard with both Muscle MIG welders. With a 15-foot work cable, you can take the feeder unit where you need it. And you can purchase 25, 35, and 50-foot cable assemblies to extend your mobility even further. If it's consistency that you're looking for, you just found it. Each setting on a Muscle MIG welder is hardwired to its own transformer tab. Whether the heat is set at 2, 6, or 12, the output at each setting remains the same. No more constant tweaking and adjusting just to maintain consistent output. It's like having 12 transformers in one. And that adds up to unequaled control and repeatability over low and high heat ranges. Both models are spool gun ready to enable quick conversion to aluminum MIG welding. And with the FlexTig 12 or FlexTig 25 conversion kits, both models feature DC TIG capability for welding ferrous metals. Don't waste time on a welder that lacks the duty cycle and the features that you need. And remember, amperage rating is for the type of work you'll be doing, and duty cycle is how long you'll be doing the work. Count on Snap-on Muscle MIG welders to provide the welding power, consistency, and mobility to weld quickly, efficiently, and profitably.